Hello everyone. Today we guys want to let you know how in olden days the stones were cut and how the great architectures were made of these stones. This project of ancient stone cutting is guided by our Dr. Zang Gabri. We three people, Gopi, myself and Srinath are going to do this. Already we did this couple of days ago and we just want to let you guys know how the ancient stones were cut. So coming to the introduction part, you can see the picture over here, how precision and the stones were cut. So you will raise a question how the stones were cut in olden days that so accurately. So this type of cutting, what we are going to discuss, is called as Hierapolis sawmill. Hierapolis is a city in Turkey. There this type of cutting was discovered. So it's been estimated 3 centuries ago this type of technology was discovered. And with this help of technology, even the stones of pyramids were made. So coming to the next slide, as I told, the big question arises in our mind, how stones were cut in those days. So we would like to let you know, explain you about how stones were cut. See, you can see this different. There were millions of stones to make this huge pyramids. Each and stone are precise and have equal shapes. So these type of stones obviously would have cut with the help of machines. So today we will be discussing about one of those technology. So regarding background information, my friend Gopi will explain.
Hi, myself Gopi. I'm going to discuss about the background information, the stone cutting, the ancient stone cutting technology. The stone cutting technology was developed at least 2 million years ago, and the tools which they were used hammers and chisels, sharp, they used it first when they started. And the sawmill is considered the earliest known as the machine, which is combined with the crank and something like connecting rod to wheel. And the waterfall fed mill race is shown powering via a great train to frame, so cutting it rectangular process by the way of 2 connecting rods. And the mechanical necessity and the cranks which we are seeing in the diagram. And this is our hypothesis, experimental model which we are doing today, and we sketched with our hands to this one. And the next one. And this is the experiment model. This prototype model is performed by the help of the geared wheels and wooden covers and pins and etc., which I am going to show now. You can see these are the 2 walls. I'm going to help you. These are the 2 walls, and this is the water flowing from this way, and the wheels are showing here. You can see the wheels are showing here. The water is coming on these wheels, and while coming the water, you can see the gears will rotate here. So as this way the 2 stones were cut, you can see here. We can place 1 stone here and we can place 1 more stone here. This will cut the 2 stones. Okay. Next one. And the conclusion will be discussed by my friend Srikant Kagitam. Thank you so much.
My name is Srinath Kagitam. Whereas with the help of this experiment, we have successfully developed how the stone cutting is in the Asian history. And moreover, with the help of the sawmill, we can cut the 2 stones at a time. But at the same time, we can cut in the 2 stones where we can, in the time frequency, we can do as soon as possible completion of the work. Whereas the result, though this project we can learn the interplay between the technology and the education. We can say about the industries where education is the deal with the gaining of knowledge and the technology. With the help of this one, we can say that infrastructural situations of the establishment will be learning throughout the subject, education, the math and the physics of which we have explained about this project. And we have introduced, with the help of these references, we have done this project and we are completion of this project. Thank you so much.